In today's video, we are going to learn a speech on World Environment Day. So let's get started. Without wasting any further time. In the first line, we have to say, Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers and parents. And all my dear friends, today I am here to give a speech on World Environment Day and I am thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity. World Environment Day is the UN's most important day for encouraging worldwide awareness and action for the protection of our environment. Since it began in 1974. It has grown to become a global platform for public outreach. That is widely celebrated in over 100 countries. Environment plays an important role in healthy living and the existence of life on the earth. Earth is a home for different living species. and all are dependent on the environment for the food, air, water, and other needs. Therefore, it is very important for every individual to save and protect our environment. Air, water, land pollutions are three major forms of environmental impacts on human, plant, and animals. My dear friends, we can make our earth a better place to live by taking simple steps like planting trees, saving trees, reducing plastic usage, and by saving all natural resources rather than complaining. About pollution, such small steps must be taken to make our environment sustainable. Thanking you.